ever wondered which pizza chain is the best? Well, according to Christoph Baron at Statica, a company that gathers other companies' income data, Domino's comes out number one, with its close competitor Pizza Hut making $3 billion less every year. So how do they do it? They make great pizza. Hi, my name is Margaret Kravchenko, and I am a manager at Domino's, a company I've been working for over a year and a half. Today, I'll be showing you the materials you need as well as the process of making the pizza, so you'll be able to understand why we have such a high return rate. All Domino's employees have to wear a uniform. This shows an organized staff to the customers that are walking in and out of the store, as well as keeping ourselves clean by wearing an apron. The uniform consists of a hat, a shirt, an apron, black pants, and black non-slip shoes. After wearing uniform, we need to gather all our materials. Our materials consist of dough, cheese, sauce, as well as a spoon for the sauce, a scraper for the dough, a docker for the dough, a pizza slide, a pizza scraper to get the pizza once it's out of the oven because it's very hot, of course something to cut the pizza with, and obviously a pizza box. Once you've gathered all your materials, you must wash your hands. Domino's has a lot of returning customers due to our speed with making pizzas. We do not wear gloves because that slows down the stretching process. Instead, we wash our hands between every pizza and every single task. Once we've washed our hands, we begin to stretch the pizza. The pizza is made on top of cornmeal, which is a cheap product that allows us to quickly make the pizza at a cost-efficient rate, which allows us to sell the pizza for a lower cost. Once you begin to stretch the pizza, you move your hands in a circular motion until it is the right size. Yes, you can throw the pizza, however, it is a very difficult skill and often you do get cornmeal in your eyes. Once you stretch the pizza to the size you like, you begin to sauce the pizza. You take one big spoonful of sauce and place it in the center of the pizza. You begin to roll the sauce around until it reaches the whole pizza, leaving 1 centimeter not covered where the crust can rise. After you've done that, you begin to cheese the pizza. You grab 2 big handfuls of cheese and sprinkle it evenly all over the pizza so that the pizza stays consistent, as well as having a high quality cheese on every slice. Afterwards, you place the pizza in the oven. The oven is between 450 and 510 degrees, where it rolls through around 7 to 8 minutes. Once the pizza has gone all the way through the oven, we use a scraper to get it off the oven and into a box, upon which we cut the pizza into 8 even slices, and then we just simply follow the indents on the box and fold it and give it to the customer. Here's a video of the making process. As you can see, there's many other toppings behind me. According to Manchester Evening News, Domino's has the highest quality toppings out of all other pizza chains they surveyed. Now that we've completed the making process, let's go over the materials as well as the making process one more time so you're able to understand why Domino's makes such amazing pizza for its customers. Always remember you need the basic materials as well as dough, sauce, cheese, something to cut the pizza, a spoon for the sauce, a dough docker, a dough scraper, a box, and a pizza slide. Afterwards, you just do the simple process of stretching, cheesing, and putting it through the oven. A pizza always takes under 10 minutes, and that is why we have such a fast return rate for customers because they love our times. So what are you waiting for? Go order online. Domino's makes most of its customers order online due to there being more deals as well as It's easier for those working in the store to see what the order is. So go order online.